Hello, my friends. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English, where learning English is simple, practical, and full of confidence. Today's episode is specially for beginners, for learners who want to speak English confidently using easy, everyday sentences. If you feel shy, if you hesitate while speaking, if you think your English is weak, then this episode is for you. Because today, I'm going to give you simple daily life sentences, easy speaking practice, repeat after me drills, real-life conversation examples, and confidence-building tips. So relax, breathe, and let's start learning. Why simple sentences build confidence? Many learners think they must speak long, complex sentences, but the truth is, simple English creates strong confidence. Why? Because simple sentences are easy to think, easy to speak, easy to remember, and 100% natural in daily life. Even native speakers use simple, short sentences all the time. So today, we focus on English that is easy, useful, and perfect for daily speaking.
Simple daily sentences. Beginner-friendly. Now let's learn the most useful sentences for everyday life. Repeat after me. 1. Greeting and starting conversation. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What about you? Nice to see you. Have a great day. 2. Talking about yourself. My name is Harry. I live in New York. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking. I practice every day. 3. Daily routine sentences. I wake up early. I go to work. I study in the evening. I cook my meals. I go to bed late. 4. Expressing feelings. I feel happy today. I am a little tired. I am excited. I am worried. I feel confident. 5. Asking for help. Can you help me? Can you repeat that, please? Can you say it slowly? I didn't understand. Thank you for helping. 6. Making simple requests. Please give me water. Can I have your number? Can you call me later? Please wait for a moment. Let's talk tomorrow. 7. Showing politeness. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. No problem. You're welcome. Short conversation examples. Practice real-life English. Conversation 1. Meeting someone. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm great. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Conversation 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Can you tell me the time? It's 4:30. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 3. Simple daily talk. What are you doing today? I'm working, and you? I'm studying English. That's great. Keep going.
Beginner speaking drills. Repeat after me. Don't whisper. Speak clearly. Drill 1. Confidence sentences. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Speaking is easy for me. I am not afraid to speak. Drill 2. Daily life sentences. Repeat after me.
I'm ready to learn. I practice English daily. I speak with confidence. I use simple sentences. Drill 3. Conversation Builder. Repeat after me. Hi, can we talk? Sure, I'm free. Let's practice English. Let's start now. Confidence tips for beginners. Here are simple tips that work. 1. Speak slowly. You don't need speed. Slow speaking is clear speaking. 2. Use simple words. No need for big vocabulary. 3. Don't translate from your language. Think in small English sentences. 4. Practice out loud, not in your mind. 5. Repeat daily. Consistency beats talent. 6. Smile while speaking. It increases confidence. Motivational message. My friend, listen carefully. You do not need perfect English. You only need the courage to speak. Every time you practice, even for 5 minutes, you become stronger. You become clearer. You become more confident. English is not about being perfect. English is about being understood. And you can do that. I believe in you. And your future self will thank you for not giving up. Thank you for listening to this episode of 24/7 Talk English. Keep speaking, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Remember, simple sentences make powerful speakers. Use them every day, and your confidence will rise automatically. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep speaking English with confidence.